With 55 years in the industry, Rotronic is the market leader in temperature and humidity measurements. We have developed a wide range of products to cater to different applications of our customer base. Rotronic's data loggers offer reliable and accurate measurements to ensure our customer can always have a peace of mind when monitoring their environment. The TL-1D, HL-1D, and BL-1D are our series of compact data loggers. The compact data loggers measure temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure. The compact size of the data loggers means that they can be installed on any surface or in between racks to collect data.
With the memory capacity of 64,000 data points for TL-1D, 32,000 data points for both HL-1D and BL-1D.
The compact data loggers allow users to customize their logging interval and duration for better data management. The compact data logger comes with a LCD screen and a LED notification lights to allow the user to easily identify any changes in the environment they are monitoring. The unit is battery operated with a standard CR2 battery and is easily replaceable on the field to minimize any downtime. Data can be downloaded to a PC through USB connection, and the HW4 software is available for free on Rotronic's website. The HP32 is a handheld meter designed to work with a variety of different probes. It is able to measure temperature and humidity and also provide a whole range of psychometric calculations like dew frost points, wet bulb temperature, enthalpy, etc. It is compatible with a wide range of HydroClip HC2A probes, which expand its applications from standard to high-end probes, high-temperature probes, and insertion probe. Depending on the customer's requirements, different probes can be used to suit different applications. The color LCD screen allows graphical display of the data, which allows the user to easily identify trends in the monitoring environment. The HP32 also comes with visual and audible alarm so that the user can be notified promptly in case of any changes in the environment. There are two different forms of logging available on HP32, per point or interval logging. The integrated battery offers up to 48 hours of logging on a 30-second interval. The HP32 is IP65 rated, allowing the user to bring it to the field with ease and confidence. Similarly, all data can be extracted from the handheld meter to Rotronic's HW4 software, which allows for more data processing capabilities. Speak to the Unitest team to find out more about the different types of instruments Rotronic has to offer.